how do you request the Wi-Fi password from the iPhone? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important, right? So since the iOS 11, which has been out for quite a while now, right, you can share Wi-Fi passwords with other iPhones if both devices are running that version and if they are put together, right? So if one device is like connected to that Wi-Fi and you have another phone with the same account, you can also just bring it closer together and you should be able to just click on share and the other phone will be able to connect to that network. Obviously, it gets triggered on the iPhone when you start typing in when you start the process of connecting to the Wi-Fi. So then the pop-up should appear on the other phone and you'll be able to quickly share the code, the password that way. So that's obviously one way how you can do this, but of course there are more methods. Like on the iPhone, which runs at least iOS 16, you can go to the settings app, go to Wi-Fi and tap on the more information of the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, and you can actually tap on the password right there, and it will be like viewed to you, so you can copy and share it over a text message or just type it in manually, but that's how you can retrieve or check out the actual password of the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. On the other hand, you can also just set up a QR code shortcut through the shortcuts application, which I have set up right here, and I can literally just set that up. I'm gonna share the shortcut below, but you can use that shortcut to type in the name of the address and of course the password, and it will create a shortcut which the other person can scan with it, the QR code, and they'll be able to connect to that network with just a click of a button. So that would work out as well. Let me know if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for videos and tutorials like this one. And I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well. So stay tuned for more and I'll see you later.